Hey, this is Britt Mary at Airport Honda with another great pre-owned vehicle. This is a very nice low-mile CX-5 Mazda. This is an all-wheel drive as well. This is a 2018. It's got right at 22,000 miles on it. Just an overall very nice vehicle. Also, these smaller SUVs are the hottest segment right now, and this thing is no exception. This thing is all the way loaded out. This thing's got very nice black leather. It's got the Bose stereo. It is all-wheel drive as well. And just overall extremely nice. This has the very sought-after power lift gate. It's kind of tough to come by in this segment. Overall, extremely nice local vehicle. Tires, everything's in great shape. This thing is just very nice. Interior's in great shape. Push button start. Nice large touch screen. Electric parking brake, automatic hold, dual zone climate control. It's overall a very loaded out vehicle. If you're looking for a very nice Mazda crossover and want to save some money over a brand new one, give me a call at 865-951-8938. Thanks.